Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue decorations. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh egg whites, granulated sugar, and a touch of cream of tartar. A small amount of vanilla extract will enhance the flavor. Ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are completely clean and free of any grease, which can prevent the egg whites from whipping properly. This preparation is crucial for achieving perfect, stable meringue. Once your ingredients are ready, begin whipping the egg whites on medium speed. When they become foamy, slowly add the granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. Increase the speed and continue whipping until the meringue is thick, glossy, and holds stiff peaks. Carefully spoon the meringue into a piping bag. Now, you can pipe beautiful designs onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ready for baking. Baking meringue requires a low and slow approach. Preheat your oven to approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your piped meringues inside and bake for about 1 to 2 hours, depending on their size and thickness. The goal is to dry them out, not to brown them. After baking, turn off the oven and leave the meringues inside with the door slightly ajar to cool completely. This helps them become perfectly crisp. Proper storage is key to keeping your meringue decorations crisp. Once completely cooled, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. Avoid refrigeration, as moisture can make them sticky. These delicate treats are perfect for garnishing cakes, cupcakes, and other desserts. You can also add a few drops of gel food coloring to your meringue before piping for a burst of vibrant color, creating truly stunning edible art.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.